All right. Now what we want is we could just make this. I think we're gonna make the same geometry. The first one's 9, the second one is 6. The second two are 6. Big, let's say notch height. First 9. Bruh. Okay. So, so I think I get it, right? So let's think about this. So we're gonna make a sketch. Dude, I haven't done CAD in so long. So let's see if we can do this. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this thing. And then it's gonna go like this. But we're gonna have to fill it that. And then like that. And then like that. What? How come I can't put a coincident on this? Okay, so this is the shape. This is gonna be the min ID. So can I call this like min ID, big ID, big mid? Why did I call it mid? It's not mid. Bro, if anything, you're mid. Okay, so why is that? Okay, so we have this, and then we have this. Oh, but this is not, no, this is dimensioned to okay, let's do this. So, I wish you could just do, I guess I'll just use math. So instead of this, what this needs to be is from here to here is big, is min OD over 2, right? But then, can we move this whole thing? You need to be able to move this whole thing. Okay, so then this to here needs to be ID over 2. Okay, good. And then this distance needs to be big OD over 2. How is that not solvable? Oh, because no, what? Oh, did I do something weird here? Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then the height of this thing, so from here to here is notch first. Then this notch tail and notch tail. So I think that's basically the part, and then this we can just dimension to like the final tail, which is, might as well measure it. I'll say 4. Big tail height. Okay, so that's basically the part, and then you just do the revolve axis. It needs to be the intersection of the front and right plane. That's actually so annoying. Okay, so in this sketch, do you just make construction geometry? Is that what I do? All right, nice. The only thing is, okay, so that's good. Now let's just add some fillets. Why does this look a little bit big? This is 9. I think it just looks big on the computer. Okay. So then on the other side of this, we're basically going to mirror it, except we're going to step it down. So this hose is 10. It's 10. Its wall thickness is 1.64, 1.65. Let's see, is that something in inches? Oh wait, what am I doing? 70 thou. Okay, I think it might just honestly be metric. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's close enough to 10 that we can just make the. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so. Or let's see what is the OD. I'm curious because I might get a better reading of the OD. Okay, crest. See, this is why. Okay, yeah. Crest OD. That's actually such a better name. Okay, so we're going to say small lead ID or OD. Let's call it, 9. It should be smaller. Then small crest OD. Seems good. Barb root between barbs. Barb height. Oh yeah, actually we should call this barb Oh yeah, why did he even do that? Okay. Barb pitch. We should call this big notch height pitch. Pitch. That's the thing about CAD to me is names. Knowing the names of things in CAD is so important. Okay, so small pitch first. Let's go with let's keep the same. So we can just do notch or actually calling it the barb pitch, because what is a barb? Bro, come on. Okay, what? Okay. Okay, but I actually have to finish this because I need to go. So let's just delete this. Why can't I delete this? There we go. Okay. So can we not just... Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sketch on here a hex. Can I just make a polygon? I don't remember what I want. I don't think I care. Oh, but water needs to flow through this thing, obviously. So... I mean, that works for me. Yeah, some sort of 6. Okay. Get these planes out of here, man. So, I select this and this. Okay, but what we want to do, the problem here is that this thing can, like, spin. So how do I make it this and this, just like H? Bro. Okay, whatever. Let's make some construction geometry then. It's just like this. Bro, what are you talking about, man? Oh wait, V. Oh, okay, wait, this. Get rid of. Did I do it? Okay. Now I just need to dimension this thing. No, 15. 15 is huge. I think it's 10. Okay, cool. And then let's just make this. I mean, I'm just making this up. This is. Oh wait, we need to do this though. Okay, and we just want to extrude it like 5 maybe. 7.5. Whatever, right? I mean, like, who cares? Okay, so now what we want to do is we want another front plane sketch. Okay. Let's get normal. Let's get rid of the planes. Okay, and now we're just going to start sketching. And it's going to be the same thing, except we have to start... Oh, wait, can I use... Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like line, 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 you know, line, line. Okay, like that. That's basically the geometry. Oh wait, I forgot to, did I close it? I don't think I need to close it, yeah. So, okay, so now we, do we have the, so we have the lead OD. So the lead OD, oh, okay, there we go. Because we have the lead OD. And what is this? This is the crest OD. Okay, and then these are all, if I hover that, when I hover that, okay, by transitivity, those are the same. So now, if I change, if I were to, okay, so, okay, good. Now we want the distance from here. And what does that need to be? I mean, wall thickness is kind of the concern when you're talking pressure. Oh, actually, I just realized. Um, yeah, see, look at this thing. This thing is not even gonna be. So we're gonna need to make this thing smaller or tapered or something. I don't know how to make the taper. I guess I know how to do it actually. Wall thickness is 2. I could do that. So instead of doing this, I think it's all just. Okay, so let's just see if I were to revolve it. Why is that so short? Oh, because you know what? I never did the First off, like, what is unconstrained? Okay, all this is so from here to here is the pitch first, and this is the pitch tail. And where's this? Where's the third one? Oh, did I never do the third one? Oh. Oh wait, this need to be vertically constrained. Okay. Oh, but I don't think I did the Okay, wait, let me finish. What? Did I say 4? Did I just say tail? Okay, there we go. So that's like a little bit better. Is it, oh, I guess I undid the revolve. But is there something wrong? What happened? Why can't I, Okay, cool. I mean, that looks pretty good on the face of it. The only problem is that it's not even connected. Right, like we're gonna end up with. Alright, can I get a. Section view, plane, front. See, look at that. What is that? Right, so what we're gonna have to do, I think. Actually, I'm gonna get, you know, because I'm not a good CAD person. Wait, how do. There we go. Okay, so wait, the first thing I want to do actually is in this sketch, I want to move this whole thing up. How can I do that? If I just delete this point and this point, if I delete this, okay, so this should be able to all, okay, this can move up. So let's add horizontal here. Okay. What? See, that's what I'm saying. Can't I use this? There we go. Wait, what? Bro. What the hell? But the sketch is not solved. Oh, because I want this to be like, let's just make it 5. Like, what is the big deal? Why? Because the height constraint? Oh, because this doesn't actually want to be horizontal with this. Okay. So, consonant. Okay, so now, what is not constrained here? Oh, really? Wait, what? Somehow I got rid of this thing, which is the crest OD. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. But it's still not constrained. What? Oh. Oh, wait. I lost this thing. I was like, what? This is the crest OD. This is the lead OD. Okay, there we go. Now we're done. That looks so goofy, but I don't really care. But I still want to see that section view again. Okay, wait, but okay, so what instead though, we really should merge the two sketches. But what I think I'm gonna do is see if I can. So basically what I want to do is from the start here, I'm going to draw a line. I think that's fully constrained. So now we just need to do this. I think now I can just revolve. How can I hide this thing? Wait, what? Bro, these walls are too thin. Actually, we should just use the... I have an idea. Instead of doing all this crazy stuff, in this first sketch, like, big idea. I don't even want to use this. I just want to use... What did I use? What happened? It was small lead OD. But, oh. So what does that make this? That makes this that the small lead IR internal radius is going to be the I'm just gonna write 2.5. So instead of even specifying this, actually no, I'd rather specify it like this, and then just go back to the first sketch. And then when I write down this big ID, I'm gonna write IR, and then just make it thicker. I am worried about the flow rate a little bit. And then I also just want to delete these two things, because now this should be... Because let's think about this. The diameter is 5. If the bore diameter is 5 millimeters, will that be enough for my Lee big condenser? Probably yes. Okay, so I think I'm done. This is the part. I'm just gonna go print it. Part looks like crap, like what is this? But I just wanted to make it a little bit stronger, I think. Let's look at this section view. This might be a little bit weak, but I'm gonna print it with 100% infill. Okay, so that's the part. That's it.